Hello everyone, I'm Suksham. So today we are going to start one new topic. What is that? Okay. So there is one emotion that erupts in all of us, and that is anger. For all of us, this is a big question, that how can all of us control our anger. In this video, we are gonna discuss signs of anger and what causes it. And surely we discuss some methods also to manage our anger. So let's get going. This is Suksham and you are watching your channel My Professor Fun Learning. Okay, so let's start. What is anger according to you? What do you expect? Like sometimes we are expecting and something is happening, something else. So then at that time our mind will trigger, because there will be a mismatch between what you expect and what you get in turn. Then our brain's reward circle sounds an alarm. Activity is triggered in a small almond shaped region in the brain, and that region is called amygdala. Amygdala processes emotions and anxiety, fear and anger. It will generate a basic stress, and anger makes us want to fight. This amygdala sounds a distress signal to the hypothalamus, which is command center of the body's nervous system. The hypothalamus that will when it is getting the signal that you have to find something has happened. So what it will turn? It will turn the signals to the adrenal glands, which sit on the top of the kidney. And then what happen after that? They will release hormones, and this cocktail of hormones increase our heartbeat, breathe, and pushes more blood. Many times we are going through a mixed emotions, like sometimes we are very serious, sometimes very sorrow. So you can also comment me below and share with us that which feeling makes you angry. But does anger solve all problems? Anger is a natural, you can say, emotions. Like we are having, as a human being, we are having so many emotions. So anger is a very natural emotion. Why it is so bad then? However, we can control our anger. So first of all, let off steam gently. What is this? Just like any other emotion, anger needs to be expressed, okay? But it should be in right way and doing it. When you have if you will feel that you are feeling angry, so what you have to do? You have to tell, you have to release your emotion, but you have to choose a right method. Okay, don't shout or throw a tantrum. Instead of, you can have some conversation about like what you are feeling, why you are feeling angry. This will make you feel lighter. And don't let the bottle pop. Okay, you can use one more technique, that is called LOL. Now what is LOL? Not lol, it is laugh out loud. What is laugh out loud? Like it is another great way to control your anger. Okay, means you have to laugh. Laugh means you can laugh it anyway. You can try to find the humor situation in that. Okay, after all, laughter releases endorphins, okay, and that will produce a feel good effect on your mind and body. and substitute to end your dispute. Try to substitute. Okay, this is a Buddhist practice. Buddhist practice means you have to focus on the positive aspect instead of negative. You can channel your anger. So here I will just tell you one story, that once upon a time a woman came to Viti Bible, okay, quote, and she said one problem. She said, my husband is very angry. Every time he is fighting with me, he always starts fighting. Please give him some medicine. Biba was stumped. Why? What she's asking? Fight? He is doing fight and she's asking medicine from me. She came here to our court. He thought for a while and procured a small bottle, and she said to that lady that whenever, this is very special medicine. First of all, she said that this is very special medicine. Whenever your husband feels like fighting, tell him to drink this medicine and count till 10. Okay, and after that, when he will count, immediately the anger will disappear. The woman left pleased. Wow, at last I got the medicine. So after a few days, she came back and said, this medicine is doing wonders. People started laughing. Woman was confused. Why he is laughing like this? Biba said, do you know what was there in the bottle? She said, no, Majesty. So Biba said, this was a simple water. So while keeping water in mouth and counting the number used to calm him. So this is one more technique that we can also adapt. So whenever you are feeling angry and there is no other way to release, you can just do this technique, breathing and relaxation. So breathe deeply and count slowly from 1 to 10. When you will slowly repeat calm word like relax, relax to yourself while breathing deeply. Okay, so it will give you peace. Fine. So there are some simple steps to manage your anger also. What are those methods? So first of all, like calm down, get ready to talk. Say the problem in a firm but respectful way. Don't shout at others. Listen to the other person has to say what they are saying, what is their perspective. You are telling yours and you have to listen other ones also. Talk about like how you feel without blaming. Think of ideas to solve it. Think about the ideas to solve that. So as I told that you have to channel your anger. How you can channel your anger? I think like one thing about anger is that it fills you up with lot of energy. Whenever you are feeling angry, you will feel that in your body there is like lot of energy is there. So at that time you can make use of it. You can do some creative work. It can be a meditation, it can be your like you can write do arts, you can write poems, okay, you can play any musical instrument, whatever you like. So this way you can channelize your energy and you can control on your anger. It is not a big deal. So stay happy, spread kindness and keep smiling and happy learning. But before I will say goodbye and take care, what you have to do, there is one responsibility of yours also as my subscribers. What you have to do? Yes, you have to like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.